Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of AI and how you can use it to make some extra money. Specifically, we're going to talk about how to make $100 using AI. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about AI-generated content. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to create content quickly and easily. With AI-generated content, you can create articles, videos, social media posts, and more in just a few minutes. There are tons of tools out there that can help you generate content with AI. Some of my favorites include WordLift, Content Blossom, and Lumen 5. But here's the thing, AI-generated content isn't just about creating content quickly. It's also about creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. And with the right tools and strategies, you can use AI-generated content to make some serious money. For example, you could use AI-generated content to create a blog or YouTube channel that attracts thousands of visitors. You could use AI-generated content to create social media posts that drive traffic and sales to your business. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. With the right tools and a little bit of creativity, you can start using AI-generated content to make money today. Section 2: AI-powered freelance work. Next up, let's talk about AI-powered freelance work. This is a great way to make money with AI, especially if you have skills in areas like writing, graphic design, or social media management. With AI-powered freelance work, you can use tools like Zirtual, Fancy Hands, and Upwork to find clients and complete projects. And with the right AI tools, you can automate many of the tasks involved in freelance work, freeing up more time to focus on high-paying projects. For example, you could use AI-powered freelance work to offer services like virtual assistants, social media management, or content creation. Use AI-powered freelance work to create and sell online courses teaching others how to use AI in their businesses. The key is to identify areas where AI can help you work more efficiently and effectively, and then use those tools to deliver high-quality services to your clients. Section 3: AI-driven online businesses. Now, let's talk about AI-driven online businesses. This is a great way to make money with AI, especially if you have an idea for a product or service that solves a real problem for people. With AI-driven online businesses, you can use tools like ManyChat, Dialogflow, and Teachable to create and sell online products and services. And with the right AI tools, you can automate many of the tasks involved in running an online business, freeing up more time to focus on marketing and growth. For example, you could use AI-driven online businesses to create and sell online courses teaching others how to use AI in their businesses. AI-driven online businesses to create and sell AI-powered software tools that help people automate tasks and increase productivity. Section 4: Participate in AI-related gig economy. Finally, let's talk about participating in the AI-related gig economy. This is a great way to make money with AI, especially if you have skills in areas like data labeling, content moderation, or transcription. With the AI-related gig economy, you can use platforms like CloudCrowd, Hive, and Amazon Mechanical Turk to find work and get paid. And with the right AI tools, you can automate many of the tasks involved in gig economy work, freeing up more time to focus on higher-paying projects. So in conclusion, and that's it for today's video on how to make $100 using AI. I hope you learned some valuable tips and strategies for using AI to make money. Remember, the key to success with AI is to identify areas where AI can help you work more efficiently and